Vroče, na ogmanje ni tok. Treli bojo dobri, fucking glomari verjetno.
So the first climb isn't that bad. It was pretty hot because of the sun, but the climb itself was pretty short and not really that hard. The first stage was pretty technical. It had a weird corner at the start, as you can see here.
Pizda maj!
Then it continued with some flat corners. And some more flat corners. And some more flat corners. It was a really closed stage. I didn't really like it, and it wasn't really that physical.
Yeah.
I wasn't really happy with the time on the first stage, but yeah, what can you do about it? So the climb to the second stage was very long and exhausting. We also had a water station, which was very cool because we were extremely thirsty. And yeah, it was a really long stage, a climb. We climbed for about an hour and a half. The second stage was, for me, a bit better than the first one. It was a bit faster, but it also had a lot of flat corners, which were very tight, and I don't like this. Here you can see Mato hop around the tight corners. Very sick.
Ko pa to zrit?
The second stage is also extremely physical with 2 long climbs. And at the end you also need to pedal along this road. I was pretty happy with the result on the second stage, and now it's time for a climb to the third one. Here you had some nice views, it was actually really pretty, but the climb itself wasn't extremely long, but we were tired from the climbs before, so it was a pretty hard climb.
Fuck.
The third stage was a bit faster than the first, but it was really similar. It had a lot of flat corners and pretty low speeds.
What the fuck?
In the middle of the stage there was a large flat section with a lot of flat corners, and I really hated that part.
O jebote. Kurwa, je lahko bolj retardirane uvinke skoči. O! Dole je bilo pa blizu.
The transfer to the fourth stage was just a little short descent. The fourth stage was a really fun one. I had less flat corners, which I absolutely hate. It was a bit more open and high speed, and it also had a few technical parts and a lot of compressions.
O! Te drevesa.
The transfer to the fifth stage was an even shorter descent. I really liked the fifth stage. It was actually my favorite, except the start is shit. But overall the fifth stage is the most open stage. You can really go fast in some places, but it's still tricky if you don't remember the corners. You can see here Teusz just, yeah.
Hopsa! Whoa! Брат, me kar poznam. Pička mater, kurac.
Again, the transfer from 15 to the 6th stage is super short, and the 6th stage is just an improvised stage across a field.